How to uninstall apps on Windows 11 completely. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can uninstall apps on Windows 11 completely, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to uninstall apps on Windows 11 completely, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open up your settings over here, or you can better yet open up control panel. Now after you open control panel, here you can see uninstall a program under the programs tab. So just go to uninstall a program, and here you will see all the programs that your computer have. Now if you want to delete a certain program over here, just select that particular program, right click, then click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, you can just click on this little yes option, and then you'll be able to uninstall that particular application. This way you can completely uninstall apps on Windows 11. This also works for Windows 10, by the way. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.